everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to do another unboxing of Vooglam glasses. They've sent me 8 more pairs and I'm so excited to show all of them to you because they're really pretty. So before we get into that, my name is Ranita. I love doing makeup reviews and swatches and tutorials, but today we're going to be doing the glasses review. They're really nice. I do wear specs. I don't have a significant power, but you know, I do use them when I read or when I'm using the computer a lot if my eyes start hurting, so I do have a little bit of power, not too much. So I'm really happy to show you these pairs. If you're new here, I want to say welcome to my channel. I'm really happy that you're taking the time to check out a review of mine, and I hope that you hit the subscribe button if you like the video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for taking the time to check out one more of my videos. I will see you at the unboxing. So we have another box over here from Vooglam. They've kindly sent me another 8 pairs of glasses. I'm so excited to show them to you, so let us do this unboxing. Same as last time, they sent the PD ruler plus, you know, discount codes and ways to save money and the 8 pairs. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so this is the first pair. I don't know if you remember in the first video, but they had actually sent me a black pair exactly the same as this. I like the frame so much. I love the way that it was looking on my face, so I asked for the green one as well. So this is exactly the same one, just in a different color, and just look at how pretty it is. I mean, I'm just so happy with this pair, and I really love the overall, you know, feel of it. And yeah, it's just really good quality. You can see the, you know, details all over here. It's gold and it is very pretty foresty green, I would say. So this is the first pair. Okay, so this is the next pair. It is very bright. It's got a thicker frame, as you can see. I just think that this is not a pair that I necessarily would have chosen for myself because I tend to go for thinner frames, but I'm definitely interested to see how it's going to look on my face. So if you turn it around, you're going to find this, yeah, you can see the metal through the, you know, plastic over there. So it's a little bit see-through, but yeah, this is still a very interesting pair of glasses. Next, we have this red pair over here. So this is a very interesting pair. So first of all, the frame is definitely thicker than, you know, a frame that I would have picked, but I do think that it's very interesting because it's got, you know, all of these holes over here on the top, and it kind of adds a very interesting shape. The eye section over here looks a bit smaller, but it's still a very pretty pair. So you turn it this way, you can see that it's definitely thicker over here. The entire pair of glasses is just red, but it's still very pretty. Okay, this is really pretty. You can see that it's got a very unique color and pattern over here. It's kind of like a teal, almost like a bluey teal with purple thrown in and splashes of, you know, black all over the place. The frame is definitely thicker, and when you turn it like this, it's got the same pattern over here, so it's kind of see-through. Like, you can definitely see through that over there, but it's still a very pretty pair of glasses. And I like that the eye space over here is actually quite big, so this is going to be interesting to try out. Next, we have this pair. So the glasses are obviously round, and you can see that it's got this detailing on, you know, either side over here, which is very pretty. It's a unique color combination as well. It's kind of like an orange going with gray. I think it's a nice color combination. So when you hold it like this, it's all gray, and then, you know, when you close it, you can see the orange, and of course from the front you're definitely going to see like a lot more of that orange. So this also is a very interesting pair over here. Next, we have this pair. So it's obviously a cat eye pair, and I really like that white pair I got the last time from Vooglam. So I thought that, you know, if I got something similar with, you know, like a zebra kind of color going on there, it would look good on me. And I really appreciate thin frame over here, so I just like the way that the thicker frame at the top generally accents my eyes more, so that's why I decided to pick this. And this is what it looks like from the back. It's got, you know, black metal, and then it comes into this kind of like matte plastic almost over here. But yeah, it's still a very nice pair, and definitely one of my favorites. Okay, next we have this pair. I really liked it because, you know, I just thought this was so pretty. Like, when you look at it over here, it kind of looks like rocks almost, like the bottom part, and then at the top that orange there just accents the eyes so beautifully. So I was very interested in actually getting this pair for that reason. And you can see that the glasses are definitely like thicker, you know, and it's of course the cat eye shape, which I really like. So flip it to the back, and this is what it's going to look like. You've got that really pretty pattern going on over here, and yeah, it's a little see-through. but I still think that it's one of my favorite pairs from this selection. This is the last pair of glasses. I really like this because of, you know, the colors and the pattern. I just think it's so pretty, and I really like that the frames are also thinner. So I decided to pick this pair for those reasons, and I just like this pattern. So as you can see at the back, the pattern carries on, but you know, on these sides it's not actually there, so it's kind of black, but it's still a really nice pair of glasses. And you know, this time Vooglam actually allowed me to pick prescription for 4 pairs of glasses, so this is actually one of the glasses that has my prescription, and I'm so happy about that because I really like these frames as well. Right, so these are, you know, the glasses again, and I just think that I've got a lot of warm colors this time, and I thought I would arrange it in that way as well because I think it looks more appealing to my eyes. But yeah, these are, you know, all 8 pairs that have been sent to me. I think that it's a beautiful collection all in all, and I really think that Vooglam has beautiful glasses. So if you are actually looking for prescription glasses, or if you just want, you know, to get a fancy pair, you could always go to them. So I hope that you had fun going through all of these different glasses with me. Let me know what your favorite pair was down below. I certainly think that, you know, there were some really pretty pairs in here, and I'm so grateful to Vooglam for sending all of these over for me to try. Remember that if you want to pick these up, I do have a code and it's on the screen, so you can use these to get a discount. The quality of the glasses for me is really good. I feel like, you know, you're just getting a really good deal with these. Sometimes they have deals on their website too, so you may want to check that out. But all in all, Vooglam is known for, you know, their glasses. You will find many satisfied reviews. So yeah, you know, I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you soon for another video. Until then, have a wonderful week. Bye.